Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to show you how to create our own dataset just using browser and image downloader from the add-on. This dataset you can use for machine learning or for convolution neural network CNN. Okay, let's go to the browser first. Before that, first you need to install image download into your browser, and then after that you need to set the configuration. Okay, in here I use Mozilla Firefox, so I'm gonna install the add-on using setting and then add-on on themes. You can search there image downloader. You can choose any. You can choose download all image downloader. In here I use image downloader, the first one from Carl. Okay, I already download and install the image downloader, and then set. Yes, in here you can see the image downloader shortcut. Just click and then you can set the size, file size, file dimension or pixel, times width times age, and image type is all image or only JPEG, PNG, and so on. You can set this one, and then go to the Google search. And I just use Google, and then number 2, just googling the image using your own keyword. For instance, I use horse. So just googling horse and image, and here you can see a lot of horse images. And then you just click image download shortcut. You can stop for 94 images. You already download 94 images, and then click select all. Before you click download, you need to choose or select or deselect. In here this one is not horse, so just deselect. So you can choose any image that suitable for you. After that, just click download, and then you can see in folder download you already have horse google search.zip in here. Right, after you download, you can unzip, so you can use it for your machine learning or CNN. Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.